tasty, Sidir? So, yesterday I said to you, the hotel is really full with tourists. Huh? Many foreigners are here. And then I realized I'm also a foreigner, but I don't feel like a foreigner.
Yeah.
I feel like an Indian.
Yeah, because you know when the milkman is coming in.
I really feel that I live here as an Indian woman. Good? All the way to Taj Mahal.
कितना है भैया यहाँ से ताजमहल? 10-15 मिनट?
नहीं ज़्यादा लगेगा।
अच्छा, ट्रैफिक की वजह से?
ट्रैफिक की वजह से वैसे भी
रूट थोड़ा वैसा है।
कितने minutes?
20 minutes.
Okay. Oh, you say 20 in Hindi?
20 minutes.
20.
Yes.
20. Okay. My Hindi word for today, 20. 20. Sidia is trying to book the ticket online because in the hotel it didn't work. Somehow it was not working from our laptop, and now we came here and we can only pay cash. So again, he's trying to book our ticket for the Taj Mahal on his phone. And now he's getting some help, so it's not working again. Okay, how do we enter now?
Do you have for online money? You have?
Next ATM is 1 kilometer away, he says.
Give me Paytm, then I will give you cash money. This I will help you.
Okay, this guy will help us, he says.
How much you want?
So we are now
We are finally there. Yes.
at the Taj Mahal.
Yes, to all the security controls, it was a mess. Chaos.
When was the last time you came here, Monique?
How long ago?
And you say you don't recognize it now?
No, this
No?
part I don't recognize. No.
Yeah, let's see.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can't explain, but it feels like home. Anyway, in North India feels like home for me. So it's good that I live in India.
When you see the Taj Mahal from here, there is something magical. Monique, I was saying that when you see the Taj Mahal from here, there is something magical about it. Yeah. You see? It's small now, but as you go closer to it, it keeps on becoming bigger, and a point comes where you only see Taj Mahal and you're lost in the beauty of it. Our first monkey at the Taj Mahal. There's the second one.
I think this here is where Cobra is living, isn't it? Tribhuvanam.
Yeah, I think so.
Tamil Nadu.
I think so. Yes. Yes.
It's next to Chennai. I would love to visit that too.
So what people are doing is that is the
Yes.
entrance, and then people are going straight towards Taj Mahal. But what I think is this part is as interesting as Taj Mahal. Actually, people are only coming here for using the toilets, which is there. All these places, you know, Monique.
I'm recording you now.
You record me, I record you. All these places here which are mentioned, the
Yes.
temples and the churches and the monasteries, we
What is
want
with
to
it?
visit all of them, or most of them.
Yes.
That is on our
Wish
wish
list.
list. That is why we began the YouTube channel
Two colors, one ride.
2 colors, 1 ride on our motorbike. And yeah, when we can visit all these places,
Yes, welcome.
we can capture them,
Yes,
we save them.
it's already a start now.
Yeah, good.
Next
Monique,
year, Netherlands.
are you enjoying, Monique?
Yeah.
Good. Do we go through this?
Beautiful park.
Yeah, and then we go towards Taj Mahal.
Let's do it.
Okay. See how little people are in front of this big, huge monument. This is the river Yamuna.
Wow.
See the buffaloes there, Mani.
Yes, I saw that.
Oop.
I also see the trash in the water, unfortunately, but this is India.
On the rear side of the Taj Mahal.
These camels, they walk so proud. I love it.
They are the only proud ones here, Monique.
Yeah.
Otherwise, that is our taxi in the white. See how he's struggling to make a
Yeah.
U-turn. Oh no.
But they walk here, these camels, like they will say, this is my
Yeah, yeah.
home. Oh, I love them. I
Yeah,
really want to go to Rajasthan with you.
Next trip, Monique.
When do you take me to Rajasthan?
Next
when?
trip.
Come.
Yeah, next trip.
Ah.
I think that's enough. You can come in.
No.
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No, it's not.
I come later. Can we sit?
10 minutes. Then we say we can.
Yes.
Okay.
20?
203.
This is nice calm.
Yeah. I was not expecting.
No. Yesterday it was more full, but see they're decorating and oh, then I can make a nice video.
Okay.
Yeah. They make everything so nice. Ah, बहुत सुंदर. Oh, the sweets. Oh. See this. This is my favorite part. We have more kitchen. Hi. This they will fill. This is the dining room, and also where we had the breakfast. See how beautiful. Oh, I love the Taj Mahal I see there. Very nice. Very nice. And on this side, we have also the food. Yes, and soon this restaurant will be full with foreigners and tourists.
Yeah, looks good. We go to our table.
Yes, where do you want to
That
sit?
corner is
In the
good.
corner?
Yeah.
Okay, then we go there again.